Full automatic facial tissue folding machine with auto inner transfer system. Each part is controlled by independent motor or independent servo. Stable performance. Easy to operate. Imported linear bearings are adopted for all stacked sliding seats. And double-axis structure is adopted to ensure the stability of each stacked. Using servo control claw. Relies automatic separate. Precise hit out the paper. Setting sheet number on touch screen directly even number. It can be adjusted 100% accurately. High resolution servo operation. 100% accurate counting.